Hi, I'm Sal Cardozo. I'm the practice lead for data analytics and AI at us. I've been practicing data analytics and artificial intelligence as well for about 20 years on both sides of the fence, actually. The Big Four and here at us for about 12 years and then about 8 to 10 years with some Fortune 500s here in the States. The plan for many companies was to focus on post-pandemic growth. Instead, what has happened is that many of them are now eyeing on the threat of recession, managing the impact of persistent inflation, dealing with challenges in supply chain, and not finding enough digital skills in the labor market. So regardless, enterprises must still identify and commit to strategic outcomes and initiatives. What is their goal? Is it to save cost, improve margins? Is it growth through intelligent products and varied services? Or is it to adopt and improve a business process? Data technology is key regardless of your strategic focus, but you should know when and where it will have a valuable, transforming, disruptive impact. At us, we help our clients in many ways, building a data lake to feed a customer data platform that will provide better insights in understanding their clients, saving cost by building a predictive running cost for their flagship or product or their service. Another example is that we help them improve their decision-making process by adopting artificial intelligence, while at the same time remaining flexible to adjust as issues arise. I'd start saying that technology is just one component of the well-known four-leg approach: strategy, technology, people, and process. It is really a balance. Let's keep in mind the following. Why are you doing this? What is the primary reason and objective of the engagement? Our strategic services team can help you identify the initiatives that have the highest value and the lower technical complexity, so we can tackle those first with you. Our delivery teams partner with you and equip you and your team throughout the engagement, so you are self-sufficient at the end of the delivery. We also help you choose and confirm the right technology for you, be it a cloud, a BI tool, an integration solution, or mobile, with the right cost and the lower risk to your organization. Last but not least, and something that we usually do at the beginning, is that we help you create and deliver on a roadmap that brings cost-effective value to your organization. In conclusion, we partner, we work together with you shoulder to shoulder, and share the risk along the way. First one, data transformation. Data should be shareable across the organization. It needs to be processed by streaming instead of batched. It keeps us ahead of what our users want. It needs to be governed to allow for self-service access, so that data technology needs to be easy to use. That's a key factor to keep in mind. Second, data streaming. Adoption keeps getting easier with the technologies and the tools that are becoming more and more popular. It allows you to offer data as a product, which has become very strategic in many companies and industries, so that your teams, your internal users, your external users, can access the data that they need when they need it in a secure manner. And third and final, data is an asset. We tend to oversee and forget about how important data is. It needs to be treated like an asset. If it is really going to power your business, treat it as if it were high quality, trusted, ready to use products, and it needs to be consistent everywhere across the enterprise. The spirit of collaboration is critical for success. There are no solo musicians or players in the data and analytics field. DA is clearly a team sport or an orchestra, depends on what you like. Players on both sides, players on the field and players on the seats of the stadium who are cheering and supporting and looking forward to the delivery of the business solution that we are building together. And that's on the client side. Then on the us side, we bring different skills, playing in unity. Our design thinking team, data, analytics, RPA, integration, they are all needed and required to achieve the valuable goal that the client has set. For example, data and RPA come together to automate a process. Our mobile apps and our artificial intelligence consultants come together to create a smart app. And on top of all of that, our culture and our approach, our delivery approach, encourages and facilitates constant communication and effective delivery, as if we were a sport team where everybody knows by heart every play in the playbook. Being a data practitioner, my team and I are excited about this. New approaches and architectures like data mesh and data fabrics. They offer high value and a more timely delivery. Implementation of advanced AI and machine learning in process automation. Further implementation of data storytelling to get better insight and value from the continuously growing data amounts out there produced by your clients, by your partners, and internally by your business processes. Sharing of data in a secure manner internally and with your partners is something that we shouldn't overlook.